Stop holding cash. How it's costing you wealth. What if I told you that the money sitting in your bank account right now is actually making you poorer? Most people believe saving cash is smart, but what if holding cash is the biggest wealth killer of your generation? Today, you'll learn why saving money the wrong way destroys financial freedom, how inflation eats your money, and how the wealthy use assets instead of cash to build massive wealth. If you want a wealth mindset, passive income, and financial freedom, stay until the end. This could change how you see money forever. Why people love holding cash. We're taught from childhood, save your money, keep cash for safety. A big bank balance means security. And yes, having an emergency fund is smart, but hoarding cash is not wealth building, it's wealth shrinking. Cash feels safe, but safety can be expensive. So let me tell you how inflation destroys cash. Here's the hidden truth most banks don't tell you. Inflation silently steals your money every year. If inflation is 3 to 7%, your cash loses purchasing power annually. That means $10,000 today could feel like $6,000 in a decade. This is why people search. Why does money lose value over time? How inflation affects savings. Is saving cash bad? The wealthy understand one rule. Cash is trash unless it's working for you. The wealth mindset shift. Rich people don't hold cash. They hold assets that grow cash. They buy real estate stocks and ETFs, businesses, digital assets, income streams. They search for how to invest money, how to build passive income, and how to multiply money. The poor and middle class search for how to save money fast, how to cut expenses. Saving is defensive. Investing is offensive. Here's the real cost of holding cash. Let's say you hold $50,000 in cash for 20 years. With inflation, that money might feel like $25,000 in real value. But if you invested that $50,000 with a modest 7% return, you could have over $200,000. Holding cash didn't just keep you safe. It cost you wealth, time, and opportunity. This is why people search. How to build wealth with investing. Why the rich invest instead of saving. How compound interest works. What to do instead of hoarding cash. Here's the smart wealth strategy. 1. Keep an emergency fund. 3 or 6 months of expenses in cash. That's safety. 2. Invest the rest. Put money into assets that grow faster than inflation. 3. Build multiple income streams. Side hustles, businesses, dividends, rentals. Make money work while you sleep. 4. Think long-term wealth is not built in weeks. It's built with consistency and compound growth. Cash gives comfort. Assets give freedom. Cash sits still. Assets move. Cash feels safe. Assets change your life. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to invest to become rich. So stop letting your money sleep. Stop letting inflation steal your future. Start building real wealth today. Because one day you'll either say, I wish I invested earlier, or I'm glad I did. Your future self is watching, so comment invest if you're ready to stop letting cash control you. Like always, if this video helped you, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time.